Are you ready to be amazed by the most beautiful dog breeds out there? From sleek and regal to fluffy and adorable, we've got a list of the top 10 breeds that will leave you in wonder. Get ready to fall in love with these four-legged beauties and maybe even consider adopting one for yourself. So, sit back, relax and prepare to be captivated by the stunning looks of these furry friends. Let's jump right into it. Number 1. Samoyed. The Samoyed is an incredibly beautiful dog breed with soft, fluffy white fur that is incredibly thick and luxurious. This stunning breed is famous for its luscious, snow-white coat and captivating almond-shaped eyes. They look very cute with their white, fluffy fur and happy smile. Their eyes are very pretty and they are really friendly dogs. They love to play and are always ready to have fun. Even though they are gentle, they are also very loyal to their owners. With their striking beauty and impressive size, it's easy to see why Samoyeds turn heads wherever they go. Number 2. The Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Get ready to meet the perfect addition to your family. This toy breed may have originated in the UK, but they're now beloved all around the world for their stunning appearance and friendly disposition. With long, silky fur that comes in a variety of colors, it's impossible not to fall in love with their cute, innocent look. But looks aren't everything. These pups are also known for their affectionate and gentle personality. They're incredibly social and thrive on human companionship, so you can expect your Cavalier King Charles Spaniel to be your new best friend. Plus, they're great with kids, other dogs, and even strangers. So if you're looking for a beautiful, loving, and intelligent pup to join your family, look no further than the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Number 3. Golden Retriever. Golden Retrievers are a true masterpiece of canine beauty and charm. Their friendly and welcoming temperament will make anyone feel right at home. Their dark brown, friendly eyes are sure to melt even the toughest of hearts, and their cute, floppy ears only add to their irresistible appeal. These dogs aren't just a pretty face either. With their gentle and kind nature, they are known to be one of the most loyal and loving breeds out there. It's no wonder they are often considered to be one of the most beautiful and magnificent dogs around. Number 4. Papillon. Papillon is not just a beautiful dog, it's a stunning masterpiece of nature. With its majestic wings-like ears that flutter ever so gently in the wind, and its alluring butterfly-like shape, this dog is truly a work of art. The fur is also adorned with a mix of colors such as white, black, and tan, making it a sight to behold. And let's not forget about those eyes. Big and bright. They're so expressive, they tell you everything you need to know about the sweet, gentle nature of these majestic creatures. With their grace, elegance, and charm, it's no wonder why so many people fall head over heels in love with this magnificent breed. Number 5. Shetland Sheepdog. The moment you lay your eyes on a Shetland Sheepdog, also known as the beloved Sheltie, your heart will skip a beat. With their charming and distinctive appearance, this breed captures your attention with ease. The breed has a graceful gait and is known for being very light on their feet, which makes them excellent agility and obedience competitors. This breed's beauty is simply unmatched, thanks to their unique combination of athleticism, elegance, and charming sweetness that makes them stand out wherever they go. Number 6. Siberian Husky. Meet the Siberian Husky, a breed with an undeniable beauty that will make your heart skip a beat. From their piercing blue eyes to their unique markings, these dogs are sure to capture your heart. But it's not just their appearance that makes them impressive. Their thick fur coats are built for cold weather and can withstand temperatures far below freezing. They're strong and agile, bred to work as sled dogs, and have a distinctive smooth and effortless gait. But don't be fooled by their strength, these dogs have hearts of gold. They're incredibly friendly and playful, fiercely loyal to their families, and love socializing with both humans and animals. They're the perfect addition to any household, especially those with children. Number 7. Maltese. The Maltese breed is a stunningly beautiful masterpiece of nature, boasting luxurious long hair that flows like a river of gold around their delicate frames. Their captivating, round black eyes sparkle with curiosity and their button noses are perfectly positioned on their cute little faces. With their soft, fluffy coats that look like a cloud made of silk, the Maltese will steal your heart with just one glance. Whether they are running and playing or snuggled up beside you, these sweet little pups exude elegance and grace. They are the perfect embodiment of beauty, charm, and sophistication. Number 8. Alaskan Malamute. The Alaskan Malamute is an incredibly beautiful dog that is known for its thick, fluffy coat and striking features. With piercing blue or brown eyes and a strong, muscular build, it is no wonder why this breed is such a beloved companion. Their ears are pointed and erect, giving them an alert and curious expression that adds to their charm. The Alaskan Malamute's powerful and majestic presence, combined with their loyalty and affectionate personality, makes them an incredible dog to have by your side. Number 9. Pembroke Welsh Corgi. The Pembroke Welsh Corgi is a small, sturdy, and charming breed that has captured hearts all over the world. With a distinctive appearance, the Corgi is instantly recognizable by their short legs, fox-like face, and long body. Their coat can come in a variety of colors, such as red, sable, fawn, and black and tan, and is usually short and weather-resistant. Their personalities are just as lovely as their looks. Pembroke Welsh Corgis are affectionate, loyal, and intelligent dogs. They are well known for their playful nature and entertaining antics. Pembroke Welsh Corgi is a beautiful dog in both appearance and personality, making them a beloved breed by many. Number 10. Chow Chow. Have you ever laid eyes on a Chow Chow? With a luscious mane and an adorable fluffy behind, the Chow Chow exudes beauty and elegance. They come in a variety of stunning colors ranging from cream to black, and their thick, furry coat is perfect for snuggling up to on a chilly evening. But it's not just their appearance that's captivating. This breed has a dignified, regal presence that commands respect and admiration. They have a distinctive scowling expression that somehow manages to be both fierce and cuddly at the same time. In short, pure and utter beauty. But in conclusion, if you ask 100 people which dog is the most beautiful dog, you will get 100 different answers. Because all of them are true. I am feeling now, you are a real dog lover. If you enjoyed from video, subscribe.